We're looking at certain change in price character in the market, whereby we find out liquidity pool, chopping prices in the market, liquidity void. So let's look at how this market is actually playing out, how the price actions are actually being put out in this market analysis. Doing traders, welcome back to Boom and Crash the FX channel, Boom Crash GFS channel. A must to appreciate the subscribers to the channel. You are the best and you will ever remain the best. And if you are new to the channel, don't hesitate to click the red button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell for you to receive notification anytime new video, trading tips, trading tricks, trading analysis will be shared with us on this channel. So what are we going into today? We are actually going into Boom 1000 market, whereby we analyze the market to see what is going on in the market. Then we go in for what exactly the market is actually showcasing for us to follow, be it bearish, be it bullish. Let's not forget, I'm sorry guys, I also have posted the 5 perfect entry patterns which I promised every one of us on this channel that I'll be sharing with us 5 perfect entry that we can actually adopt in our trading activities, and we definitely help every one of us. But the video is kind of detailed and it's kind of taking a lot of time, but I promise by God's grace I will be dropping that video this week. Very important. So let's go straight into the market and break down, analyze the market so we know what is going on in Boom 1000 market. Let's go. So guys, basically I'm on daily time frame of this market. So first thing first, whenever we trying to analyze the market, or when we are going to the market, what should come into our mind or what we should be thinking of is where exactly is the money. And when we're talking about where exactly in the money, we are looking at the liquidity points in the market. So in playing out SMC concept in the market, we all know, and if you don't know, money are seated at the very highs and lows in the market. In every market, the highs and lows, there are money there whereby the big boys have placed their orders and are trying to targeting to take out this money, in which a lot of retail traders would have identified that point to be a strategic point, strategic AOV for them to place their order and sell or buy in the market. So in this market, let's point out the lows and the highs in the market. So we mark out the swing low and we mark out the swing high, and also we mark out some intermediate term lows, some short-term lows. So let's mark out everything in this market. Yep. So in this particular high, we can see a particular candle which actually form, which is called doji. You have a doji candle here, and thereafter you see a big fall in the market. So at this particular point, we have liquidity above this high. So also we have liquidity below the low. Below every low you have a liquidity seated. You have a liquidity seated. So basically, as we can see, apparently we can vividly see that the market actually after bouncing down from this particular zone, bouncing down to this low to take out the OB here. After bouncing down to this OB, this daily time frame OB, you can see the price actually went or bounced up and haven't gotten to this particular level. Traders would have placed their order at this point, at this particular point, and put their stop loss 10 pips or 20 pips above. And look at what the market actually did at this point. You can see you have a long wick outside above the zone, which actually took out every liquidity above this previous high. Above this previous high, it took out all the liquidity, all the stop losses retail traders has put at that particular zones. You get, So we call this a liquidity pool. So liquidity pool, we can see the market actually took all the liquidity above these highs, and you see the markets, I went back into this zone. You see the other candle, which the bearish doji candle in a similar form with the one we have here. So what's that telling us? That the market will actually drop from this zone. I'm looking at the market to drop from this zone to this particular point, to this particular high we have here. We have the high here, which the liquidity was being taken out and also retested. I'm making a low here. So I'm looking at the market to run from that zone to this particular point, but we can't actually judge by this or take our entry on this particular big time frame. We have to go on a lower time frame to confirm our movement in the market. We go on our 4-hour time frame, we check the analysis there, then we go on the M15 for our entry in the market, whereby we identify where we place our stop loss and our target, where we are going for. So quickly, let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. So here on 4-hour time frame, so what are we looking at in this particular time frame? So as we can see, after the liquidity pool, as I said, the price actually moved back into the the zone, the resistance, the bearish zone, and thereafter we see certain consolidation in this particular zone. In the particular zone whereby we have choppy prices, consolidation, as we can have it on this time frame. So we have the consolidation, the chopping prices. So let's mark it out. Chopping prices. So we have that one. So this consolidation we are having on 4-hour time frame, we can see an engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle out of this consolidation, and thereafter we have a retest of the consolidation. So that's telling us that the market is actually going down. So aside from that, what can we actually still point out in this market? So we have a series of bullish candle which is giving a void in the market, and definitely the market will tends to mitigate this void in the market, even early to this point. The market will definitely mitigate to this particular point. We have the liquidity void, and when we talk about liquidity void, what are we saying? What's the meaning of liquidity void? So liquidity void, let's mark it out. Then I'll tell us what liquidity void is in the market. So this is marked out. So when we say liquidity void is actually a range in price delivery, whereby there's one side of candles in the market, whereby in a situation where we see the market going in a long move, impulsive move, a series of bullish candles following each other with no traces of selling, one-sided movement of candles in the market. That's liquidity void, and there's high tendency that the price will typically want to revisit this void in order to mitigate or constrain liquidity in the market. So as we have it, we have series of candles like bullish candles, 1 2 3, boom. This candle actually move impulsively in order to take out liquidity, and definitely we see the price coming down, coming back to revisit that porous range of void in the market in order to mitigate it. Definitely we also have our confirmation, having gotten the liquidity void in the market, we having a confirmation that the market is coming back to revisit this porous in the market. The market is definitely coming down to mitigate the porous in the market. So I'm looking in a range of for this. So I'm looking in a range of going so long possibly to this zone, but our first target will be to this particular marked out price, 10,208 price. That's giving us like 80 plus pips, and so our stop loss will definitely be within 50%, 50% of the ranging market there. So, and the second target we are going for is going to like over 200 pips. So in getting our entry and accurate exit in the market, let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's go to M15 to see what we can actually point out at that time frame. So here we are on M15 time frame, the 15-minute time frame. So what are we looking at? We can see vividly all in line. We can say on M15 as well, we having series of lower highs, lower lows in this market. So this is the daily swing high, which was actually taken out. The liquidity pool taken out. See the consolidation being played out. So everything are in alignment. Both the daily, both the 4 hours, both the 15-minute time frame, everything are all in alignment. Let's attach these two lows in the market to see possibly we are still in alignment. So we are taking we'll be exiting this market at this particular level, the 10-to-1 price. So the 10,212 price will be exiting this particular market, and our stop loss will definitely be above this high we have here, above this high. Yeah, there will be our stop loss above the high, basically 30 piece stop loss. So we are going short on this market, on Boom 1000 market. So all analysis are in place, everything in alignment. So all we need to do is just go into the market. Let's risk wisely and let's enjoy the move on Boom 1000. I'm seeing the market going down to our estimated target, and all is going to be good. It's all about profit. Let's enjoy profit. That's it, guys. We are done with Boom 1000 market analysis. We are all advised to risk wisely and go into the market and take 1 or 2 you can take in the market. Not compulsory. You hold till the target is being made. Once you have 1 or 2 good profit in the market, stay with that and enjoy it. So a must to appreciate the subscribers to the channel. You are the best and you will ever remain the best. And if you are new to this channel, don't hesitate to click the red button, subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell for you to receive notification anytime new videos over trading tips, trading analysis, trading tricks will be shared with us on this channel. With that being said, until next time I come our way, bye.